Afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're amazingly okay. Well, I don't know, the world's a bit crazy with everything that's going on, but when is it not? Um, so if you are growing frustrated with this price action, it's going down there, doing this weird activity over there, and then just dropping down, and then running all the way back up. It's You're not alone, all right? In other words, you walk into Monday, there's this single big run that takes us up and then gets us all kind of washed around over here. This kind of market behavior typically happens when we are in a kill zone. So, for those who are unfamiliar with the kill zone, it is this area from the nodal point that is like a wishy-washy laundromat whilst price decides which path it wants to take. Okay, so watch my previous video on more on that. But whilst I'm actually here, I want to take one of them down because I don't foresee it coming down here anymore. It's going to make a decision between these two. Well, so I assume. I can't really speak for the market. I just got to listen to it. So that's the direction it should take. But just going back to my point, if you're pulling your hair out and wondering why is it so confusing and why is it in itself super confused, that's because we are still in this confirmation area behind this red line, which I call the kill zone, because when you open up trades inside this area, they normally get killed and you run into losses. So that's why I've still got you waiting on confirmation, because once the price has exited this laundromat and started to decide which support line it wants to go down, then we can start opening up our positions. So I would say wait until next week to trade Bitcoin at least. Perhaps gold's looking different, but Bitcoin is still in this wishy-washy area, and until we get confirmation of where it wants to go to next in terms of the downtrend continuation, it's probably best not to trade. All right, have a great day further, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.